With Kerala tourism offerings back on track, the state is all set to host the next Kerala Travel Mart this September.
The way the people of Kerala came together, ladies and gentlemen, it's a great example to the entire world. Every destination is ready. This is Kerala bouncing back.
And it's a strong message that we need to send the rest of the world that we're still standing and we're open for business.
Kerala Travel Mart is very famous. It's entering the 10th edition. It has been there for the last 20 years, and this time 381 buyers from international level and more than 1,000 buyers from the national level they have confirmed, and this will be a much more major event than last time.
After a brainstorming with the entire industry, we realized that we have to go ahead with that. No cancellations at all. All the buyers who have registered for KTM, everyone is coming.
Everyone can look forward to a great KTM this year. With the inaugural happening in the new convention, the brand new convention center in Grand Hyatt.
KTM has come as a blessing in disguise for us. The reason being that you have 1,200 tour operators visiting Kerala. They can see for themselves that how safe Kerala is and everything is back.
We are quite confident that it is going to do well, and it will increase the confidence of the people who are going to promote or who are promoting Kerala in a big way.